Hello there, YouTube. Today is Sunday, January 3rd. It's a beautiful day. 70 degrees. And I had to go out for a ride. You can see I'm on the Goldwing today. I love riding this as well. It's just super heavy and super smooth. It's just great for hopping on the highway and taking off. They both are. What a nice day though. I'm heading west. Just filled up. Topped off my tank. Only got a little over 30 miles per gallon, which is kind of discouraging, but it's been really windy. I used to get 34 to 36. Changed the air filter, that didn't help. I bought new spark plugs, I just haven't put them in yet, because these spark plugs in this thing are only probably just a little over a year old. Changed them last year, 2019 maybe, before my solo Colorado trip. So I don't know what it is. It's just probably the wind. I get pretty good gas mileage on the Spider. I get about 30, 34. Well, I haven't really had it in any big trips where I just stay on the highway. I rode it up to our property a couple times and I got good mileage. I rode this once too. That's when I noticed it wasn't holding air in the air shocks, but it rides smoother with no air. So I like that. Oh God, those trucks are noisy. Who wants a noisy truck or a noisy motorcycle? Why the noise? So you get on the highway and that constant noise has got to be annoying and hard on your ears. I find myself wearing earplugs on both of these too, just for get the wind noise down. I haven't done it lately. This is Liberty Hill. There's a really good burger place right there called Major's. It's really good burgers. You drive by there. They're not open today, but you drive by there and oh my gosh, it smells so good. There again, YouTube, right up here. I don't know if you remember the video where I dodged a bunch of huge stones in the road and I blew out broke my rear rim on this and blew out the sidewall of the tire by hitting these big old stones that people left up on there. They were like 6 to 8 inch stones all over, and I swerved and I caught one of the right side of the rims. And I'll show you the place that this thing came from. It's up here just a little ways. There's a sand and gravel place, and somebody brought it in or took it out and they lost them on the road, and it cost me $800 worth of damage on the Goldwing. But I had insurance, so they paid for every bit of it. I also got 2 new tires versus 1 new tire because I had a little bit extra. So the rear tires are new, probably a little over a year ago. It should be coming up right up here on the right hand side of the road. You got to be careful in Texas because you wouldn't believe the things that are on the road. Big huge rocks, I don't know where they come from, they fall off of trucks. Concrete blobs because they fall off. The concrete trucks drop this crap on the road. Right here is where I got them big old stones in the middle of the road that blew my tire out. place right there. Bye.